Hi guys, so I am back after a very long time, and I am back with a try-on haul of only Indian brands. So I know a lot of you were thinking that now Shein is not there, so अब कहाँ से shopping करें? You basically are looking for Indian brands to buy from, and especially if you're a curvy girl or a plus size girl like me, finding size in Indian brands becomes a difficult task. For that, we are here, and we are here with a try on haul of all Indian brands. So let's not at all waste more time and start. So the first brand which I have is Project Eve. It is easily available at Ajio.com, and this is a very affordable brand. They do have stores in a lot of different malls as well. The quality is really nice, and they do offer a few party wears as well. If you're looking for some sequence products or sequence dresses, well, your option can be Project Eve. So this is the dress that I have. You guys can see here as well in the video that how this falls on and how I have styled this one. And this one is very reasonable. This is for 1050, but if you buy from Ajio, they do have a lot of sales going on. If you club up with something else and buy within certain limit, you will get certain percent of discount, and you might get it for a cheaper price as well. And if you see the work, it is really nice. The fitting was really good, and the sizes are comparatively bigger. So the size I am wearing is XL, and it fits me really well. Rather, I would say it's slightly loose. So you guys can check out for this option. This is a really amazing brand. Second brand which I have is Plus, easily available at Myntra, and it is a very affordable brand. They have quite a lot of range in that. They have a lot of variety in dresses, trousers, pants, culottes, tops, everything they have. And I have this dress. I do have a lot of other tops and palazzos as well from Plus, but this is one which I have. The size I bought in this is XL, and it fits me really well. I love the material, and of course they have a lot of variety, a lot of colors. So just close your eyes and check out Plus. They have a lot of variety. Check out how I have styled this one. Next, I have two pieces from one brand, which is Ajio. Now, Ajio has a lot of variety. You guys can see Ajio has like lots of variety. I love the clothes, the shoes, heels, everything from Ajio. These two are from Ajio. The sizes are really good. So this one is an XL, and it fits me really well. It's really comfortable. It's not like tight fit or something. And this one is again an XL. So you guys, they do have an option of double XL and triple XL as well, and these are very reasonable. This costed me around 850, and this one cost for 550. So and if you buy in some offers, you'll get it even more discount. So yeah, they were like a steal for me. Next, again, I have two pieces, one from one brand that I love. I have reviewed it so many times. I have styled it so many times, and you guys know that's Ux. Ux has a beautiful range of Indo-Western or fusion outfits. Basically, you guys can see they have a lot of coat pants, quads, and they are having dresses as well. Recently, they have also come up with animal prints, so you guys can check out Ux, and they're reasonable priced. The material is really good. So this is a complete cotton, and this is a rayon, so it falls really well. And the size which I am wearing is XL, but they do have a double XL as well, but XL fits me perfect, so I went for an XL. I bought this one at a very affordable price, which is just 530, and this one was for 610. So you guys can see they are very pretty, perfect to wear out and look cute in these. And yeah, they're very affordable as well, and the quality is really good. This I bought it last year, and I've worn it like quite a lot of times, and this I bought it like 3 or 4 years back, and I have worn it a lot of times. So, and yet it looks so good. The quality is really good. So yeah, Ux is my go-to. Next, I have a brand called Shakumbari with me. It's a pure cotton dress. It's very good for summers. You can also wear it to office. It's a very light, beautiful dress, and it did have sleeves, but I got the sleeves removed, and I got a mask made out of the sleeves, you guys can see. And this dress costed me 600. It's available at Myntra, and I love the quality. You guys can see it's a beautiful cotton and it's really nice. It's comfortable and perfect for summers. They do have a lot of variety and the sizes are pretty good and decent. Last one in today's haul is this black dress. This is from Sasparas. It is a small pleated dress. You can wear it to parties, you can wear it to office, you can wear it, you can just style it and look extra stylish in this. It's a beautiful dress, one of my favorites. I have worn this dress so many times to my office. It looks apt for office parties, simply going out. It's a beautiful dress. They have a lot of colors. I do have a lot of other dresses from Sasparas as well, and the sizes and the style fits me so well. I just totally dig their style and the size. And this one was for 850 and it just is my favorite. I just totally love it. And guys, just I'm so sorry for the whole noise and everything because I'm shooting outdoors. I just wanted you guys to see the colors, and also guys, the weather is so nice. I thought why not shoot outside and show you guys how amazing the weather is, and also to be able to show you the dresses and everything in natural light. So yeah, and I think I'll be shooting a lot of videos now outside, so basically I can show the correct colors in the natural light. If you guys want to see more of such hauls, do subscribe to our channel because we are coming up with a lot of hauls and a lot of other things. So just stay tuned, guys.